Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin with the essentials: a clean, high-resolution image and a selection that isolates the text. First, make a duplicate layer and mask around the letters so you can work non-destructively. Next, use a font recognition tool or visually compare glyph shapes to find the nearest match. This is critical because the entire method depends on matching the original font. Once you have candidate fonts, download or activate the best match and prepare to recreate the text layer on top of the original artwork. Now you recreate the text. Type the exact content using the matched font and place it in a new layer above the original. You must adjust size, tracking, leading, and baseline to fit perfectly. Use optical kerning and numeric nudges for precise alignment. Once positioned, sample colors from the image, apply subtle layer styles, and rasterize a duplicate for texture blending. If the text sits on a curved or angled surface, apply transform, warp, or perspective until the letters obey the scene's geometry. Finish by removing the old text from the underlying layer using content-aware fill or careful cloning. Do not delete image data until you confirm the new text fits. Place your recreated text over the cleared area and use blending modes, subtle noise, and a displacement map to match surface texture and lighting. Make sure shadows and highlights align. If things look off, recheck your font choice and manual glyph adjustments. Often the fix is a small tweak in tracking, warp, or a tiny contrast adjustment to match the original.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.